Hi guys, a very warm welcome to the Zara Cricket Fiesta. This is day 2 and we're talking to Team Maskline. And you're here with us for the first time. So what's your opinion on the tournament and how it's being conducted? So, I mean, what do you feel about this entire gig? Yeah.
Good afternoon first. We had our game yesterday. So the tournament is very well organized and these months, I mean, with the shortage of grounds, it was the right time to have a tournament here at Dempsey. And Zara had everything properly arranged, all the tournaments, all the matches are on time. We had our breakfast, we had our lunch.
And beer?
And beers also. Beers also. And today is the second day. So, tournaments are still going on, matches are still going on, and it's lovely to come back and have it.
Thank you. So I have a very you come to us for the first, you're playing with us for the first time. This year is I've been doing this tournament. I founded this in 2010. So this year I decided to change up the game, up the level a little bit, and include Premier Division players into it. You guys are a purely organic team. I did have conversations with Krishna about this. So what's your opinion on that? On the level of play that's happening there, and has it in any way, how's it been for you guys as a team to come play with these kind of guys?
Considering today's day 2 and we are not playing, I think so we're at the obviously we didn't make it to the semi-final. But the quality of cricket, I have to say, has been pretty great, right? And for us, of course, like Shashank already mentioned, it was an opportunity to play, right? And then our team is also, like you said, organic, right? So we are either employees of Maersk or former employees of Maersk, and that's why also when you sort of said, we have the option of bringing in some players from the division. We sort of prefer to, we have our own team and we sort of have our own rhythm and our sort of bonding as well, right? So that's key to our team, and that's how we like to maintain it as well. So that said, I have to say that yesterday we saw some spectacular cricket and it's going on 18 today as well. So
2 overs 23.
Thank you so much for being here. So moving on, what do you think about what's sorry?
And actually, we gave a good tough fight to all the premier guys.
I think you did right. You did right. Yeah, exactly. Yeah.
So we are satisfied.
Absolutely. I'm so glad. So moving on, what do you think about Singapore cricket losing grounds?
Yeah, that's a big concern for us, right? So we've not played much cricket since actually the NPL last year because Cage got shut down and that's the league we were part of as well. So that's something we're hoping, there will be a resolution or a solution, or the government will give an opportunity to, so that the cricket community continues to grow.
Yes, absolutely.
Continue to enjoy it.
Totally. Yeah, it has been it's a little scary, right? Suddenly all the grounds have just been taken away.
That's why I said, it was the right time to have a tournament here, so at least we have a ground here and we can play.
It's always great to meet people as well. There's a lot of them out there. We are opponents, but we're also friends of the people.
I'm so glad. So what brings you back to cricket every week? Your team, my team.
I don't know. I think it's
I can
in the
do it
blood.
once a year. I've been asked to do it more than once a year this time by many teams, but what brings you back?
All Indians are ingrained with cricket.
It's in the blood,
of
right?
course,
Chapte India, huh?
Yeah, as well, right? And again, I think because most of us have grown up with it, and then again, it's the whole camaraderie and the bond you have as being part of a team, right? Something bigger.
So wherever you organize cricket, whether it's dirty, whether it's...
You will be there, all of you guys. Cheers to that. So make cricket win. Any final words for us at Zara?
No, so thank you very much, and I think Shashank already touched upon it, but it's been really hosted very well, and we've really enjoyed being part of it.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. An absolute pleasure to have you. And now the next time I put out my team invites, you're on my list.
Yeah, okay. And we look forward to it.
Absolutely.
Many more tournaments.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Bye.